and welcome back to another episode of Clarissa Cooks It All. Today we're going to be making some ham hocks with rice noodles and a gravy made from the broth and some pureed onion and celery. So we're going to start off by putting our ham hocks in some water, and we're just going to start boiling these. As our fat kind of starts collecting up at the top, we're going to want to skim all of this off and put this off to the side. And we're going to boil these ham hocks until the meat starts to fall off of the bone. Once they're ready, we're going to go ahead and take them out of the broth, and we're going to keep this on because we're going to now use this to cook the noodles. Rice noodles don't take very long to cook at all. I do them in single servings at a time because they really honestly do not take very long. A couple minutes and these are pretty much good to go. Once all of our noodles are done cooking, we're going to take some onion and some celery that we diced up, and we're going to we're going to saute this up in the pan. We're going to add some pepper and some salt, a little bit of some parsley in there, and stir that up, and we're going to cook this until it's nice and fragrant. You're also going to want to take 3 cloves of garlic and dice those up and put those in here as well. Take a little bit out. Once you've pulled out a little bit of the onion and celery and put it off to the side for some garnish, we're going to go ahead and add our broth that's left over after cooking our noodles back into here. And we're going to actually puree up the vegetables in with our broth. After we've pureed up all of that, we're going to go ahead and set that off to the side, and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of flour into our pan, and we're going to make a roux for our gravy. After we've let this cook for a minute, we're going to go ahead and add our liquid back into there, and we're going to let this cook until it's nice and thick. Once it's all done, we're ready to start plating. I went ahead and put the noodles down first and added some of the gravy on top of that. And then I sliced up pieces of the ham hock and put that on top. And then I'm going to drizzle a little bit more gravy on top of this and then garnish it with a little bit of the sauteed veggies that we pulled out earlier. And you're ready to go. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.